Shubor na Shlem jong unongsan Hima.
Keyboard penyanyi ke Shlem Kriket Academy. Kilapin Kynriah no ke Shlem Jinghikai Kriket. Nama dan ilakai kriket jong ke JN Sports Complex Pulo. Syakama dan ilakai ke Batamai jong ke Derbar Senang Lawsohtun. Ke jingsang ya kini ke Shlem Jinghikai hakani ke Jaka. Kadai ling baka sekular ke Barclay Soy hakaka nyotrik uyayong jong Snam Arjar Arpway. Hapadang ke SCA bat ke Derbar Senang Lawsohtun. Ka jipin kere ano ya kini ka jaka Jinghikai joka SCA kala long bahadian baka jela kala yo ban pedang ya ka jing itu na ka BCCI badru ka jing yo ban sibenta hakin limpong ila ka cricket kiba he hapok kari kom ka Ranji Trophy bat kiwei kom ta na song thu ba omla ashu ban penan kam pathar ya ka te ka madan la no tang ya kino ki cha jing ila kai joka MCA bat ka BCCI kom ta na kala ka SCA kala penlong ya ka jing ilang play ya ka ni ka Shlem Jinghikai ha ka kat khandai trik uluber ha Lawsohtun ha ka bala sakilang lu MLA ka than ban ubalong ru menteri ka sarkar jilla uba hamlet sandoling rong ba shnong kit khat na kit kam jak Lawsohtun Sports Club unaba bata charji ubadai convener jak task force ka BCCI ha North East ba gidan kharkangor director ka SCA ginakat kam ka Shlem Cricket Academy Kynriah ki khna weilakai but kamjoru ki kimik paj ki khna.
The academy has reached 10 years. It was in 2012 that few of us, while at Polo Ground, we took the decision that it is very much necessary to have an academy which will act as the nursery to get young players. And I think that has proved correct. The vision which we had, like Bagidian has said, that most of our players representing Meghalaya today has come up in the under 16 category, under 19 category from Shillong Cricket Academy. Ngiai kuplay yafibaro kipai dai nongsar snong Lawsohtun bakilai jingbet yangi laple Shillong Cricket Academy haka snong Lawsohtun. Lakerko play Baragi Shnam, and we are proud that we have reached here. And Lawsohtun has a very big heart. You see, Lawsohtun is not only looking after the welfare of the living. This is one locality. Long time back, the forefathers had made provision for those who have also gone on their eternal journey to their heavenly journey. Most of the churches have their cemetery here. This is you will not find in many of the localities of Shillong. Lawsohtun is like my own Kumshnong Lajonghi. Apo yang ne Minstep Mankasin is not only like Barinja has said that the environment, clean water, but also the freshness of the residents of Lawsohtun. So you need not have any apprehension. Lawsohtun is a very, very friendly locality.
Shu yatul ingkot yapi habalay bat kani ka jinglong jingman hapo kasnong jongi wadnum kuslay wadnum ting ya ki parents ki ba wan sini hapo kasnong jongi na marba kadam kata ka jingsngan hapo kasnong jongi lada fila isdang ya gani ka training hani hapo kasnong jongi pinsi kendo bun insanang ya syam sibun ki jingsok tunat hani hapo kasnong jongi mar ki don ki environment ki ba Sultanat, ki bakui, ki basuba, gidon kiwa, ki bakui, ki pools kidan hani hajan, natural pools kidan hani ko kasnong jongi. mapiru andang ilai trekam ringkat barki academy barki coaches ki badan hangni posnong jingi in selam in sepeli haga bede bar kita ki natural resources ki badan hangni posnong jingi te gidan sibun ki ye hangni posnong jingi ba hado menta impat yakip impat GE te lemba kani academy ni sayo sibun ki ye ki jing mentoi apo posnong jingi ru te kumbang ilaya sign yaga agreement dengan bakla hau khanyo tarik April 2021 yaga MOU bat ka Shillong Cricket Academy na banta ban set up yaga ni ka pitch ni sports nong jingi kalong ge basoltanat na marba lengba ka jingi so thu jingmut lang bat kinong penya snong bat ka club bat ki seng balang boper badan sports nong jingi mangni sign yaga ni agreement nang ni sports nong jingi ilapoi kani ka khlimat pamenta ka ski khandai tarik March arpo tang hapo sisnem ilala pat ban play yakani ka academy hangni hapo snong jagi te kolong ke basotunat namar gi I pakidon ki coaches su ki babiang ha ki ba eye training hangni hapo academy te jingkapa jangaru kumurang ba snong jagi ka snong akan tu kenpam ya ki khna ki badai nangni hapo snong jagi hamtam ye ki tu gi age group ka ba gi yong nadu fra hadu khatar kumala instructor ka academy yangi Kamtam ya ki kentai ki khulung khana sinrang masoha ban sim yang ni kalat aba kani ka agmi kala ailat yang ni kinong songsnong jong Lawsohtun tegi kepat ipi baro ba to ni trailang bat ka dor rasnong to ni trailang bat kadmi namta ka jingbet ka jingbiang bat ka jingbha jong kasnong ni baro kawai te habede pat bat I amaleru iladan rekat hangni mentasi bani ipen pau jing songu khamtam khak bede ka development ka bede hapo kasnong jingi nomar sibun ni ayo ya ka development ka bede na banta ka jingdon kam jong kasnong la ha ka de ka no bantaro ka sports la de ka po ipildi la de PhD.
I know the fact that we have come here could also be a problem for many of the parents. I've discussed with them, they said that distance is one. But I say that distance should not be a hindrance for the boys and girls to come here. When in places like in Mumbai, in Calcutta, they have to travel 2 hours to go to the facilities and practice. Ours is still within the Shillong limit. Today I mark my distance. From Jaya I reach here in 20 minutes. And I think it is not far. It is all in the mind. So I urge upon the parents to, and we will try to even compensate on that. Today we have arranged a bus starting from Polo till here. And I've been discussing with the parent representative, maybe in future also, we can make this arrangement where some find it very difficult because they would not have their own transportation, but would use those buses that will ferry you from Polo till this place and back. And I think even the Darwashnong will also assure this, that boys and girls who are here will be safe and will be protected and nothing will happen. I have to speak this because this is also another thing that is on the minds of many parents. So with all these, I think this day will be very important when we start a full-fledged academy here at Lawsohtun. So once again, I will not take much of your time. I have explained most of the things which are needed to be explained. So once again, I thank the Darbrashnong, the sports club, and all who are involved in making this day very successful.